Hey everyone! In this short tutorial, I'll show you how to download and use the Edits app to Instagram-style editing app on your PC. It's very straightforward. Let's get started. Since Edits is a mobile app, you'll need an Android emulator to run it on your computer. Two popular free options are LD Player and Bluestacks. I'll be using Bluestacks in this example. First, open your browser and search for Bluestacks or LD Player. Go to the official website and download the installer. Run the installer and follow the prompts to set it up, just like any other program. Once the installation is complete, open the emulator. It will launch a window that looks and behaves like an Android tablet or phone. Next, open the Google Play Store inside the emulator and sign in with your Google account, the same way you would on an actual Android device. In the Play Store, search for Edits or the full name of the app you're looking for example, Edits Photo and Video Editor. Click Install and wait for it to download. After installation, you'll see the app icon in the emulator's app drawer. Click it to open and start using Edits just as you would on your phone. Now you can edit photos and videos, create Instagram-style content, and manage your edits directly from your PC. That's all there is to it. Happy editing!